Hey everyone, welcome to Joerik Garage. I just wanted to show you a couple modifications I've done to the grill. One of them was this front shelf. I've had a video up for a little while. I'll go ahead and put a link to that up above. And the one I just did right now was I went ahead and cut out this inner part of the protective screen here. The biggest reason is it really makes it really difficult when pallets get to this point to be able to get in there and move them around. Obviously you don't want to put your hand down where the auger is, but I don't have to worry about the little kids doing that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just cut some of these grates out to give me access. Usually I'm just using some kind of stick or something, sticking it in there and trying to shift the pellets around. But and I don't want to just completely take it off because this kind of adds some structural support to the outer pallet box. So I'm going to go ahead and just mark it off and then use a jigsaw. Use a handsaw or a grinder if you like to alter this, but I'm going to use a jigsaw. So let me go ahead and mark this out. Alright, I got everything marked off. I'm going to go ahead and use my jigsaw and cut it out. Permanent marker to go ahead and just cover all the bare metal up. That way it doesn't rust over time. Might still rust, but I guess this will prevent it some. Okay everyone, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the guard. Make sure that the threaded side is on this side so you get them back in. Just use a Phillips screwdriver. Start it off here, get it lined up, and just put it in there. Try to get them all in first, and then you can tighten them all down after. Hope this helped you guys out, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep doing some of these modifications and cooks. All right, thanks for watching.